सिंह पिसरो कहाँ बैठे?
श्री अमर सिंह जी,
वो ऐसे पीछे खड़े हैं।
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया है, इसलिए मेरी तरफ से आपको करदम जुटाई नमस्कार। I raise to thank Her Excellency the President of India for her wonderful speech and her grace in mentioning the historic achievement of the nation under the great leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Ji. The BJP government under Modi ji leadership have brought people of all community together, and people of Northeast have reaped a greatest benefit. Today the people of Northeast are feeling proud to be citizen of India, and the successionist force that thrived under the previous Congress regime no longer attract the imagination of our youth. It is a historic achievement of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and our Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji to end all form of insurgency in the hill area of Assam, which I represent. I urge everyone here to give chance to development of the tribal people also. Allowed our Prime Minister to fulfill the program and commitment of the BJP in the Northeast, one of which has been in relation with the demand of the hill tribes of Assam for implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution of India. Exemption from appearing in MI. Exemption from appearing in MIL in UPSC exam. Upgradation of Central University City Difu campus to full-fledged university. MOU, MOS1, MOS2 are written commitment of Government of India, and this must be fulfilled without any delay. Here the unimplemented clauses should be highlighted emphatically for immediate solution. The issue of 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill 2019 should also be taken care of. Memorandum Settlement 2, as the bill in the present form has not covered certain important vital clauses of MOS2. Special provision in the 6th schedule exclusively for Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the Mahasab Autonomous Council and other original 6th schedule council in respect to responsibility of governor should be provided in the provision of 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill, so that he is exclusively advised by the Autonomous Council in matter under the jurisdiction of 6th schedule. I am sure this long-standing demand of my people will also be delivered by this great government under the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and we will be delighted to hear its announcement sooner than later by our great President, the Honorable Madam Draupadi Murmu herself during her next address to the Parliament. As tribal people, we have been hugely inspired by the election of the tribal lady to the highest office of the country, which has been made possible only because our Prime Minister leadership has deep love for the nation, tribal people. We feel immensely proud whenever the Honorable Madam President addresses the nation, particularly the Parliament. So it is a matter of great distress for us when somebody disrespects her by calling her names and hateful words like bichari. So such comments are crime against the tribal people in Parliament. So learn to respect, honor SC, ST, OBC. We are also the son of the soil. आप लोग देखिए, मोदी जी से आप लोग सीखिए। upliftment for 5 crores people from tribal community with an allotment of 80,000 crores rupees for this initiative. आप लोग सीखिए, आप लोग ने नोटिस को क्या दिया है? Before 10 years you have given us, क्या हम लोग को दिया है? आप लोग ने दिया है कि arrest, jail, encounter. आप लोग ने दिया है all northeast area. All northeast area you have declared a disturbed area, and you have imposed Armed Force Special Power Act, the power to shoot a person without an authority order. Say, आप लोग. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I raise to support the motion of thank.
Turolo alang nilahai alam lardak pen parlimen lo ipontek parlimen lo dan apen MP doana phanda labang solam lardak pen kupatini tegapo lapeng tu kado kawe MP phanda tuningrisi 125 amendment apanke sapuru ni so ni palalang palo la songbong nilitu Dr. Togiram Romhan Karbino Autonomous Council alang likim atung pini Delhi sido alang litum atim alang litum anitito pen pini mosin iso pansitame lam kengi du nanti lam person sini du nai ma lahai pidi suri pen lok lahai kado kapin khadum alang litum karja dum tim alang li karja tim pada joini ini IMT sahos pen alang li lada pen lo program rohan yang mau Autonomous Council alang lolo si langsung kakak yongsi ilitung tim panggil cuma tim ta yongsi parlimen langsung kakak yang mau Autonomous Council CM kami alang kita ada tim tu perlu nanti kita ini kami mau Autonomous Council itu Autonomous State kami longda prangko menjadi sih
begini kita mungkin mesno pada beberapa long lo pada beberapa ini kita bi isi lama ha age schedule lama provision abik prosesnya tu ninjil lo hati langsung saya bahala minister Ikyanan right nah ninjil bagai age schedule lah itu mungkin dalam age schedule kalau uji pun mereka provision abik prosesnya mesti keninjil langsung saya bahala jom kilo
age schedule lo bangke lah bangke regional language kalbi alam sedame monanwan dilitung da LP school pen ME school pen high school anke nonaban ke da dilitung tampo lasi dilitung tame aja dingdoi bensi e sidololom kalbi alam ke sedame kalbi alam tame idudunang po bang dilitung da imanun bobo lasi UPDS a accord ho sedame dilitullo KNLF Accord, MOS along sitame, MOS 1, MOS 2 long sitame, laso banke, so that pensio that banke, si central government na banke ilitum phan, it sidul phan banke ilitum phan nang PDM banke alang jum provision abe ko kare, nang tum chingwai nom, nang tum ang bong chingwai nom, abe ladara banke, six day kene 8 sidul long banke. Ini dua bangke language per bangke English bangke lagi script English Roman script bangke ini tuh kita में Devanagari pelotan ke Hindi kali kan nang tuh Asamis lah ini yang bong yang si yang pelotan nang tuh kalau pelotan itu anytime any moment kami abang selama bangke itu kacing baik poni pada itu ada order long masih gitu MS 1 long itu MS 2 long sih itu Kaya itu mangkong lah bang, so cepakeng, non puda cepakeng long lelang aja ini sih, si dulu non puda me, dulu long lelang.
Kali ni apa bagai, apa lama ya? Long nak dia lama, ini dia lama kan?
Lah cek lo cek lo, mana hal script dan joksi na, mana dah ke option ini.
Kacik lah proses semua.
Regional pulau tu na, Assamese yang nang koko, nang national pulau Devanagari yang nang koko. Halah Roman tu bangke Roman script ke lagi non lah koding nong
India bangke script bawi mati lagi.
Just
official
lama.
Langsung sih itu loh. Langsung itu lagi. Devanagari itu endek itu asal mesti endek itu masih. Ini Roman script cuma ada correct.
Masih Tuhan option yang pilih dah.
Masih so postu mana lah sih Roman script mana language pun kita di
Roman script apa ke bang? Dia सरकार nang.
Komen masih.
Government masih nang kuda. Je Roman script ke gitu kan nang kita ke. Roman script kan hok kabe dia longke lage official language mane communication fancy la bate national language kalima dela official language mane communication fancy sita national language lo bangke hodake english poke ave hodake hindi dopo tamil dopo marathi dopo assamese dopo manipuri dopo gorkha dopo boro dopo lason mate
Script mana yang sebenarnya
Kasi itu macam Roman script ini aku mat
Roman script.
Roman script kan gitu, long lezer ko posisi
la bangke kacil kwai a proses lo si dolo cingmai bong lo la langsung kita longi pada di buat bori dan bong le sekarang bang option yang itu bang lalu ke la Roman script pena bahire kan tuh jom si Devanagari yang lo pelotan ke ba Assamese yang lo pelotan ke lagi joy ki
माने स्क्रिप्ट बांके इंडियन स्क्रिप्ट हम गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी बांके ग्रोथ कंट्री स्क्रिप्ट के इंडिया गवर्नमेंट बांके ये चेक पॉलिसी लो लगे पॉलिसी ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया जिंगवा लो से तो इट इज अंडर प्रोसेस ओके माने बिटवीन गवर्नमेंट एंड अस तो चिकरा होते लगे चोपो गए